In business, focusing only on profit is like driving a car while only looking at the speedometer. Sure, you know your speed, but you miss the road ahead, the fuel level, and the engine health. Traditional financial metrics are great for looking backward, but terrible for navigating the future. Today, we are mastering the definitive tool for modern strategic management, the Balanced Scorecard. We'll use this free, interactive online tool to show you how to move beyond simple revenue tracking and monitor the true health of your organization, from customer satisfaction and process efficiency to long-term growth. If you are a leader, manager, or strategist, this method guarantees your daily actions align with your long-term vision. The Balanced Scorecard was pioneered by two Harvard academics, Dr. Robert S. Kaplan and Dr. David P. Norton, in the early 1990s. They observed that relying solely on financial metrics was hindering strategic progress. Companies were focused on short-term gains, often at the expense of long-term assets like innovation and customer loyalty. Their solution was a simple, yet revolutionary, framework that provided a balanced view of performance. It became one of the most influential management tools of the last 30 years, giving leaders a holistic dashboard to execute strategy. The Balanced Scorecard is a framework that translates your organizational vision and strategy into a set of performance measures across four fundamental perspectives. Financial: how do we look to our shareholders? E.g., revenue, profit margin. Customer: how do customers see us? E.g., satisfaction index, market share. Internal processes: what must we excel at? E.g., cycle time, defect rate. Learning and growth: can we continue to improve and create value? E.g., employee retention, training hours. By measuring performance across all four perspectives, the scorecard forces you to focus on the cause and effect chain that leads from employee skill, learning, to efficient manufacturing, internal process, to customer delight, customer, and ultimately, to profit, financial. This online tool is designed to guide you through building and tracking your strategic scorecard using a clear, structured input system. Step 1. Define objectives. The tool focuses on the fundamental four perspectives: financial, customer, internal, learning. You start by defining your strategic objectives under each perspective, for example, increase shareholder value, or develop staff competencies. Step 2. Input KPIs and targets. For each objective, you define the key performance indicators, KPIs, the target value, and the actual result. The tool includes features that let you select common objectives and measures, or input custom ones. Step 3. Track and visualize performance. Once you input the target and actual values, the tool automatically calculates the progress against the target and provides a status, often using a RAG, red, amber, green, color code, to instantly identify areas where your strategy is on track or requires intervention. Step 4. Connect initiatives. Crucially, the tool allows you to link specific strategic initiatives, the projects or actions your team is executing, to the corresponding KPI. This ensures that every action is tied directly to a strategic outcome. Step 5. Documentation. The results are organized into 4 separate tables, one for each perspective, giving you a clean, manageable view of your strategy map. Finally, you can export the entire strategy scorecard to Excel, complete with all objectives, KPIs, and statuses, for reporting and sharing with the leadership team. The Balanced Scorecard is the bridge between strategy and execution. It moves you from simply reacting to your income statement to proactively managing the complex, interconnected drivers of future success. The link to this free strategic performance scorecard tool is in the description below. Start balancing your strategy today and managing for the future. Which of the 4 perspectives do you think your company overlooks the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quality engineering tools.